When I tell people it's no longer difficult to get subscribers again here on YouTube, they think I'm joking. See, to get subscribers on YouTube is one of the most easiest thing to do right now. This is me that was struggling with 100 subscribers around just few months ago, and within days, my channel skyrocketed to over 700 subscribers. See, let me tell you, it's very easy to get subscribers here on YouTube. Stop going through the long methods, the long process of keep on posting, consistency, people who love you follow you. Stop going through that method. There is an easier way to get subscribers on YouTube, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get subscribers on YouTube, because a video I made gave me 48 subscribers. Just one video gave me 48 subscribers, and you can see that it's that easy. It's that easy. I even made a video earlier. You have to watch that video how I got 210 subscribers. You will watch that video and you also learn more. So let's dive ahead into this video. I'll be showing you how I got 48 subscribers from just one video using the same method. So let's go ahead. I'll just screen record my screen now. Let me get the screen recorder. Let's go ahead. I'll be showing you again in this my channel. So when you go to short, it's actually a short video that gave me these subscribers. When you go to short, I'll just show you the video. See the video here. The video gave me, let's go to the analytics first. The video gave me 5,350 views, 194 likes, plus 48 subscribers and 15 shares. So 15 person shares this video, and I got 48 subscribers just from this video. I'll be showing you the exact video I collaborated with to be able to get this view, so that you too should go and do it on your channel. So let me show you. So we are going to be going to search on YouTube. I'm going to be searching for this channel, prosperity.x. So when you get to prosperity.x, enter their channel, and you're going to be seeing their shorts. It was this video that has 3.5 million views that I used to collaborate and gave me 48 subscribers. 48 subscribers it's not a joke. It's actually a big win, actually for a small YouTuber like me, because I'm still growing as a YouTuber. Yes, I call myself small YouTuber at this moment, because I know that in the next few months time I'll be a big YouTuber. Claim it too for yourself. So let's go ahead. So I have to go to the particular video. This is the exact video I used for my collaboration, and this is how I did it. So you just click on this plus icon and click on collab. So it's here, you can collab. This video, it's about, let's see, 43 seconds, but I'm going to be reducing it. You have to do the 43 seconds. Yes, I'm going to be reducing mine to, let's say, 14 seconds. So let's go ahead, click on next, allow the video to load. The video is processing. So the video is done processing. Just you still have to record yourself and just do a reaction to this particular video. So after recording yourself for the duration, then you just stop the recording, and it will take you to the next part. So when we get here, click on next, and so when you get here, add your caption and add your hashtag, at least a hashtag that's just one or two hashtags. You can just put a viral, something like this, viral, go viral, those kind of hashtag, viral shots. Just use viral shots for the hashtag, and one or two hashtag works. Then when you are done with that, just click on upload shot. You can still add related video to it. Go to your related video and promote one of your long form videos. So that is it. And when you are done, just click on upload. Once you upload, just go and sleep and watch your subscribers to begin to count. See, go and try this out. Don't sleep on this. Don't sleep on this. Go and try it out and come back to this comment section and say, hey, no, I did it and it worked for me. I got to so number of subscribers. I want people to get at least not less than 50 subscribers. within now, in fact, I'm giving you as an assignment, give yourself a task and say within the next 1 week, I'm going to get not less than 50 subscribers. So go ahead and try this collab. The good thing about this collab is that you can keep on trying it. Personally, I've done collab up to like a lot of times, and each time I do it, I actually get subscribers. Yes, the first time one of my collab got 300 plus subscribers, this one got 48, and my subsequent collab videos has been giving me different subscribers. See, don't sleep on this. Go and collab and actually start getting videos. You must not use this particular channel name I showed you in this video. You can go to any channel that you see that the videos, they have a lot of views, people view, the people engage on that video. You can actually use that particular video to collab. You can collab with somebody in your niche that got a lot of views, and collab with it, and definitely you're going to get subscribers. So do it and thank me later. Bye bye.